Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to show you how to set Lively Wallpaper on both of your monitors. Whether you want the same wallpaper or different ones, you can just go over and get started by following up this process. So you can click on the Lively Wallpaper icon. You can just go over and search for Lively Wallpaper. Type in that and open up the application on your device right here. Once you access the application, you can just go over and enable the multi-monitor mode if you've before accessing this application as well. So go to your settings for that and go to the display section, go to system, look out for display and turn on multiple displays, this option right here. You can just go over and detect another display and you know let the Lively Wallpaper application detect each of the screen separately. You can just go over and do so. And once both of the monitors are connected, what you need to do is on one of your devices, open up the Lively Wallpaper and you can pick the wallpaper that you want. Pick it up, you can right click on it and you just need to select this option of Set as Wallpaper and confirm it up. Once you do so, you can confirm it up on all of the monitors. You can select all monitors and the wallpaper should be applied to both of the screen available. If you want different wallpapers, you can hover over your mouse to the wallpaper that you want. Right click on it, select the option of Set as Wallpaper and select the option of select one monitor one and go back to wallpaper section, select another one and click on select set as wallpaper, and at this time select the option of monitor 2 and confirm it up and repeat if you have more than that monitors. And that's it. You can just go over and follow it up, and now we have Lively wallpapers on both monitors. We can just go over and follow this process. So make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.